Me go wake up, call up my man, you know.
Prince up.
You know what good dick do? You know what good dick do to people?
Dig, duck, broke it, set it, broke it, set it, broke it, set it, broke it, set it.
Come and meet me at my front door tonight.
Hello. Is this Kerry?
Yeah.
Bitch, me go wake up, call up my man, you know. Cause me see your number in my phone, you know, and it's not him call you, it's you call him.
I'ma call him, please call me, me send him, and him call me back, call me pussy real good, whopping.
But you bumbo clock, right? Wait! I treat your address in on the phone, you know. Me a go down a digital feet, bumbo clock.
Think me afraid, me live on 131 Matches Lane straight. Come down, you know, come down, yeah.
Matches Lane? You mean to tell me Sir Peter live all the way from Belgrade Heights?
Yeah,
and go down a Matches Lane?
Yeah, car, pussy good.
You wait till him come home.
You want him there, you know. Peter, come phone.
So man, I walk with condom on now, fuck.
Prince up. If me wake up one more blood clot morning, I say my panty and my blood clot foot, me and you go fight. Stop thief, my pussy at night time. You two blood clot thief. Me go report your blood clot. Me go report you. Me tired. Stop thief my pussy.
You know what good dick do? You know what good dick do to people? You may call your pop out your blood clot fast here. You may call the next day y'all wine same way you not get no fuck the way all the fuck sweet you. Me call the one call all the mother and the palm mommy, God bless you. Thank you Jesus for push out the boy. What the blood clot we are talk about good dick make females do shit make all female get mad Jesus when I pill it.
Hello, you turn on blood clot like no me eye for. You cook? Me tell you say me nah cook no blood clot food in a gear for yam until you start yam my pussy. Abo, Jamaican man no do them thing. Where Jamaican woman no cook? Lock off my life. Susan, really? Lock off my life.